it is Heebie randomness and gaming
and those things.
Yep, and today we'll kind of be posting a little bit later than time, but it's fine, it's totally fine. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and today we're going to be doing
slime pet peeves.
Yep, so like and subscribe like I said, and let's get on to the video. Ready?
Slime pet peeve number 1. People are too rough with their slimes.
Hey guys, it's Samantha OMG. I just got this new slime, and it's so amazing. And people be hating and be saying I'm taking rough with my slime move and like this. See, I'm totally fine. See, it's totally amazing. See, I'm super gentle and super light. I don't know how people be like. Slime pet peeve number 2. When people be like having thumbnails, when people stop when they be making thumbnails.
Slime pet peeve number 3. When people are the first time pokers, you don't know what they're doing.
Hey guys, it's Sarah, and it's my first time actually doing a slime. I don't know what this nasty stuff is. Oh, it got off of my clothes. Ew. So let me try my elbow. Like, that sounds amazing. Oh my gosh, it's cold. What are we supposed to? I'm scared to touch it. See? Slime pet peeve number 4. When people be breathing very too hard.
Slime pet peeve number 5. People start talking in the background at ASMR. Like, it's not ASMR if that's it. Oh my god, girl, did you see that new show?
Stop talking, I'm trying to do ASMR.
Yes, girl, I seen that. Like, oh my goodness. Like, girl, be quiet. Like, oh my god. Like,
I'm trying to do ASMR.
I haven't even seen this. Like,
Girl, stop.
Girl, I broke something. Oh my goodness.
Okay, this is the last and final one, guys. This is a weird one, but it's gonna be good. So this is when people poke the slime, but then the slime changes. So let's go. Hope you guys like it. Come look at this. This is creepy. This is creepy.
What?
Poke the slime, yeah.
Okay.
Like poke it.
Oh my god.
I told you, right?
Okay, how about let's do it at the same time?
Okay.
I'll do one hand. That's creepy. Ready? Oh my god. That's it. I'm pounding it. What the heck? That's not even sand.
That's not even slime, guys.
What the heck?
So I hope you enjoyed this weird video. Please like and subscribe, because this is the craziest thing ever.
Yeah. Hope you guys like and subscribe to me. Post it and subscribe to her.
Ooh, what's this? I'm gonna eat it.
Anyway, I'm about to push this to this. Hey, I'm about to push this to the side. What the heck?
Bye.